Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 13th, 2025, and we're diving into Ventas's recently released 2024 full-year earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ventas has shown some interesting developments in their latest report, and I'm excited to discuss them.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. Ventas reported a total revenue of $4.92 billion for 2024. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Ventas has seen a solid increase in revenue, driven by their senior housing operating portfolio, which grew nearly 16% year over year. Their normalized funds from operations, or FFO, increased by 7% to $3.18 per share, indicating strong operational performance.
And what about their net income?
The net income attributable to common stockholders was $0.19 per share, a significant improvement from a loss in the previous year. This reflects their strategic investments and operational efficiencies.
Strategic investments and growth. Ventas has been quite active in terms of investments. Can you tell us more about their strategic focus?
Absolutely. Ventas closed over $2 billion in investments, primarily focused on senior housing. This aligns with their strategy to capitalize on the growing demand in the senior housing sector. Their net operating income grew by 7.5%, with a notable occupancy growth of 300 basis points.
That's impressive. How do these investments position Ventas for future growth?
These investments are expected to generate attractive returns and enhance their growth profile. Ventas is leveraging its platform to drive enterprise growth, which is crucial given the aging population trend.
Dividend increase and financial health. John, Ventas has announced a dividend increase. What does this signal to investors?
The 7% increase in their quarterly dividend to 48 cents per share is a strong signal of confidence in their financial health and future cash flows. It reflects their robust performance and positive outlook.
And how is their balance sheet looking?
Ventas has improved its net debt to EBITDA ratio to 6.x, entering their long-term target range. They also issued 37.3 million shares, raising $2.2 billion, which strengthens their liquidity position.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 80s. How did Ventas perform in this regard?
Ventas reported an adjusted EPS of 81 cents, slightly beating the forecast by 1 cent. This beat, although modest, demonstrates their ability to meet and slightly exceed market expectations, which is always a positive sign for investors.
With 7 analysts covering the stock, how does this performance impact their credibility?
Beating the consensus estimate, even by a small margin, enhances Ventas's credibility and can boost investor confidence, especially in a competitive market environment.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking ahead, what can we expect from Ventas in 2025?
Ventas has provided a positive guidance for 2025, expecting significant NOI growth in their SHOP segment. They plan to invest approximately $1 billion in senior housing, which should continue to drive growth.
And what about their dividend outlook?
Given their strong performance and positive outlook, Ventas is likely to maintain or even increase their dividend, which is attractive for income-focused investors.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Ventas has delivered a strong performance in 2024 with a revenue of $4.92 billion and an adjusted EPS of $0.81, slightly beating expectations. Their strategic investments and dividend increase highlight their robust financial health and growth prospects. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Ventas is certainly a company to watch, especially with their focus on senior housing and strong financial position.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ventas's performance in the comments below.